Hi kids, we are going to learn about spices name in English with pictures.
Hi, kids. Welcome back to SK Little Kids YouTube channel.
Black pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg, cumin, coriander, turmeric, ginger, paprika, cayenne pepper, cloves, cardamom, garlic powder, mustard seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek, bay leaves, star anise, saffron, sumac, allspice, caraway seeds, curry powder, dill seeds, asafoetida, chili powder, Chinese five spice, horseradish, jennifer berries, lavender, lemongrass, mace, marjoram, onion powder, rosemary, mint, sage, amchur, vanilla. Lemon balm. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.